like you think that I should calm down, and that I'm overthinking everything about you, and that we're good the way we are. But I don't know that much about you.
Coucou tout le monde, j'espère que vous allez bien. On se retrouve aujourd'hui pour une nouvelle vidéo. Aujourd'hui, je vais m'occuper un peu de ma cuisine. Pour commencer, j'ouvre le volet bien en grand et j'ouvre la fenêtre pour aérer, bien évidemment. Et ensuite, je vais essuyer toute la vaisselle et la ranger.
You deserve much more than this. If you give me one more chance, I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without.
Je vais nettoyer quelques tiroirs, principalement ceux qui sont sales et très poussiéreux. Vous le savez, les tiroirs se salissent vraiment très vite à force d'ouvrir, fermer, ouvrir, fermer. Du coup, là, ils avaient vraiment besoin d'un bon nettoyage.
I just don't know what to do if you go. I've been so selfish and made you believe that you're not good enough, but you're all I need. I take you places that you've never been. I would give you the world if you let me try again. Yeah, just give me one more chance. I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm not without you. I hope I can show what you mean to me, 'cause I don't know what to do if you go. I just don't know what to do if you go. Yeah, just give me one more chance. I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm not without you. I hope I can show what you mean to me, 'cause I don't know what to do if you go. I just don't know what to do if you go. I was at the wrong place at the right time, 'cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing into the night sky when you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder.
Je vais ensuite nettoyer rapidement la plaque de cuisson. Ça, on l'a fait après chaque utilisation, donc elle n'est pas vraiment très sale, j'ai envie de vous dire. Donc, pas besoin d'utiliser la pâte de chez Pink Stuff.
Love a little louder. We went to a small bar with neon lights. Talked about everything that was on our mind. Talking to you gave me butterflies. Then you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy.
Ensuite, je vais faire la vaisselle. Il y a quand même pas mal de choses dans le bac de l'évier.
Don't wanna be shy.
Ensuite, comme d'habitude, je vais le nettoyer en profondeur, toujours avec de l'eau chaude, mon éponge 𝘔𝘈𝘆𝘕𝘌 et bien sûr du produit vaisselle. Pour terminer, je vais juste passer un bon coup de nettoyage sur ma machine à laver parce qu'elle n'était pas très propre. Il y avait plein de nounous, plein de poussière. En plus, je venais de faire les plaids à shadow, donc voilà, fallait vraiment la nettoyer en profondeur.
Not sure what I'm doing here, and the days don't work out the way I thought they would. And before you there was no one who understood. Never found somewhere I fit in. Until I met you I was feeling lost. But you're the one who can make it go away. All you have to do is look at me. Sometimes I can't breathe, but it feels like you're the one who saves me. When I try, but don't succeed. Yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me. The one who saves me.
I'm trying my best to hold on. It's not easy, but I'm feeling stronger with you. And the days don't work out the way I thought they would. And before you there was no one who understood.
Sometimes I can't see, but it feels like you're the one who saves me. When I try, but don't succeed. Yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me. The one who saves me.
Pour terminer, je nettoie les meubles extérieurs de la cuisine et un pouce sur le sol avec mon aspirateur 𝘠𝘕𝘌 AC1. Les liens sont en barre de description. Ma vidéo touche à sa fin, j'espère qu'elle vous a plu, c'était une petite vidéo. N'hésitez pas à me laisser un petit like, un commentaire et à me dire ce que vous en avez pensé. Nous on se retrouve mercredi à 10 h pour une nouvelle vidéo. Je vous fais plein de gros bisous et surtout prenez bien soin de vous.
We could run to a place where we belong.
Wait a second, I don't need you. Then why so settled? I miss withdrew. Still it feels